When Citizen launched the Tsuyosa back in 2022, it quickly became one of the most talked about affordable mechanical watches on the market. With its integrated style bracelet, tonneau-shaped case, and sub-€300 price tag, the Tsuyosa delivered that luxury sports watch vibe at a fraction of the cost. Earlier this year, Citizen answered calls for a smaller version with the Tsuyosa 37, and now that compact model is expanding with two new dial colors, dark blue and bold purple. Nothing about the winning recipe has changed. The case measures 37 millimeters across and just 11.5 millimeters thick, with a 43 millimeter lug-to-lug for great wearability. You still get a sapphire crystal with a magnifier over the date, a mineral crystal exhibition back, and that signature crown at 4 o'clock. Finishing is a mix of brush surfaces with polished accents, and water resistance is rated to 50 meters. Inside ticks Citizen's reliable caliber 8210 automatic movement. It runs at 3 Hz, offers about 42 hours of power reserve, and features a stop seconds mechanism for precise setting. It's the same movement as in the 40mm model, keeping things familiar and affordable. The big news here is color. Alongside the original ice blue, green, and pink dials, you can now choose an all-time classic dark blue with a sunray brush or a much bolder purple dial that really stands out on the wrist. Both versions keep the applied luminous markers and hands, plus the 3-link stainless steel bracelet. The Citizen Tsuyosa 37 in blue, reference NJ0200-50M, and in purple, reference NJ0200-50W, are now part of the permanent collection, each priced at just €299. A compact size, a mechanical heart, and now 2 fresh dial colors, Citizen keeps making the Tsuyosa one of the most compelling value propositions in everyday watches. If you enjoyed this quick look at the new Tsuyosa 37 editions, hit like and subscribe for more affordable watch news and reviews.